And you know what? Have you heard of the song Baby Light My Fire? Oh, no, this is not this one. I just kind of like. That song came to me. I'm doing a burning every day. It always rained a little bit lately. It has always been raining a little bit lately. And there's so much mosquitoes. I would sit in the lounge room and mosquitoes attack me. Oh no, not 1,000, not 100, one at a time. You know what I mean? So here, I'm going to make a little bonfire. It's far away from the house, from the main house. But there are trees here, like tea tree, that I don't want to burn. So I keep away, I stay here. It's good to burn while it's the weeds or the cutting or the grass cutting is still damp. It doesn't kind of like explode into a big fire. See the fire? Yes. Like Peter said, I must have been an aboriginal in my older life because I know how to light a fire and to control the fire. And that is the traditional method. Not just in the early days, even this time, to control weeds or whatever is unwanted. Ooh. There you go. It's gonna be a fire. Baby like my fire. Okay. Take good care of your own home. Nobody will. Unless you become a royal member of the family, it's still the same. You have to do your bit. You have to work free for the food that you eat and for the palace room they give you. You still have to work. You have to be representative of the royalty in public services. You present, you give an award. But unfortunately, there's only a few who become royalties. We're just commoners, and we can still pretend. We can still do something and pretend we're royalty. Hold a cup of tea. Hold a cup of tea with pinky tiny little finger like that. No, we're not that. Oh, you can pretend to be a royalty. Sweetheart, that's so far away. Even if you marry a royalty, it's not promised. You have a wonderful life, baby. Have a good day.